Here's how to know if someone is online on WhatsApp. To view a contact's online status, simply open their chat and right below their name, you should be able to see their online status. When they're inside WhatsApp, it will appear online, and if they're not in the app, then it will show a time for when they were last active. But in case you don't see any text below their name, then first you need to check settings. So let's close the chat, go to Settings, Privacy, then open Last Seen and Online. And if you don't share your own online status, then you won't be able to see others' online status as well. The bottom option is for the online status, same as Last Seen, and set the above status to anything except nobody. Now go back to their chat and check if you can see their online status. If it still doesn't appear, then this means they have disabled online status sharing. So in that case, you won't be able to see it. It's that plain and simple. So this wraps up the video. Hope you found this informative. If you found this useful, make sure to stay tuned.